steak salad sandwich board. That way, everybody can eat their steak however they want. This is great for family dinner or if you're having company over. The first step is to season a bunch of sliced onions and 2 good-looking ribeye steaks. And all I'm using is lemon pepper seasoning, and those look great. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on some salt too. And I've got a grill that is really heating up here. So I'm gonna brush on some olive oil first just to make sure the steak doesn't stick. And I'll put the seasoned side down, and that way I can season the other side. Okay, now I've just gotta grill the steaks, then I'll take them off the grill pan, grill the onions, then I'll make some horseradish mayo, get bread ready, slice the steaks, and I will see you on the other side. So for the steak, I'll give them 5 minutes on the first side, turn them, and cook them for 4 more minutes until they're medium rare. Then I'll take them out onto a board and just let them rest. Next, I'll put the onion rounds on and cook them for about 5 minutes. Now for the horseradish mayo. So for this, I'll add ½ a cup of mayo to a bowl, along with ½ a cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of prepared horseradish, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, ½ a teaspoon of black pepper, a good pinch of salt. Give everything a good mix and tip it into a serving bowl. Okay, back to the onions. I'll just turn them and give them a few more minutes. Then it's all about the crusty bread. Put it on a board and cut slices. The onions are ready, so I'll take them off. And finally, it's about slicing the steak. And with that, everything's good to go. Okay, I do believe I have everything I need to build this steak salad sandwich board. So I'm gonna start with the steaks, and I'm gonna arrange everything on this beautiful board. With the steak, I'm gonna put some slices of bread. Now, these beautiful onions, the lettuce, beautiful tomato slices. And then I have sliced white cheddar, this beautiful horseradish mayo, sliced green onions to put on the steak, a little bit of sea salt over the tomatoes. It is absolutely glorious. Now, when it comes time to serving up, there are 2 ways to go. Let me show you both of them. You could opt for a lovely salad with the juicy steak on a bed of leaves with the pick of the goodies from the board. Or this, all of those same elements piled high on one awesome sandwich.